if it's like a full beating of the game or not. We're playing Marble Madness. First place, 124,780. Second place, 16K250. So this will be the last one for today before we host a raid someone else. So let's see what we can get in that regard. Then I'll be ready for voice them. Press left mouse button near item to change the item's value. What? Ah, okay. Marble Madness. Did they say that in the OG one? Oh, it's been quite a while since I played this. I still remember how people skipped here. Remember the controls to be a bit more fluid and not as jumpy. Oh, what? That's fun for your ear. Ways. Why the controls so weird? I have like when I play the arcade port, I'm totally fine. But these controls feel awful. This is like Q-Bird controls. Okay, this is gonna take me a while to get used to it. I guess 124K780 means someone finished this game. Ooh, they're so hideous. Oh, come on. If you press up, you go sideways, you know? That's the tough part. Game. Area race. What is Ariel about this? Is this the one with the vacuums? I think this is Wakem one, yeah. Ah. Oh, come on, come on, come on. Okay, and you bonk. I'm sorry. Oh, yeah. Fart. Fart, 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 fart. Not good. Okay. Sounds like they used the music from Genesis version, which was the same weird off tune. Was it? It would be interesting to find out, right? Let me do another run. Because I think I'm getting used to the controls. Yeah, the Amiga is capable of that most definitely. But then I get some games were just ported by some lazy ass company. And you just had to go with whatever they served, so... Maybe this is one of those, you know. cases. So. You fucking dick. Sorry. Okay, we're gonna go faster this time because we know the routes a bit. That's what we get for getting fast, because we know the routes a bit. It's way better in terms of time left. Boopy, 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 boopy. Imagine speedrunning this game. What? Why is pressing down now all of a sudden going left? Was a bit of an eager one, but... Oh, come on. We were already in there. Oh, there we go. And in. The crazy music. They were like, hey, do you know a guy with an accordion? Do you think he can make some really funky, crazy, and creepy music? And they were like, I got you, dude. I got you. Got this one guy. He's like my sister's wife's cousin, but he got that stuff down. Don't you worry. Like he's a polka guy, you know. Oh, go over there. Yes, fart sounds, awesome. Okay, this guy's done. Ah, come on. We can do this level this time. There we go. Oh, come on. That's not good. That's not good enough, most importantly. Is this even what we want? Go here? I guess. Yeah. What? Oh, it granted me time. Thank you, Thank you, fairy. Ah! Let me at least see the next level. We got 4 seconds left. Damn, Amiga got those tuba sounds. It does. Yeah, I think we can go for second place, but I don't think we're gonna go for a first place. Extra time for silly race. What is silly about this? I remember the music. But then again, I think this game is giving you a reward if you finish the run. Could that be? No. Silly race is silly. Ooh. Ah, yeah, I remember. We get more seconds for everything we kill here. Right? Yeah. That is silly, indeed. What? Why here? There were 2 possible paths, game. That we done did it. Okay, 35, 560, it's okay.